Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and I hope you stay. So today I've got another easy nail art video for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get my nail and come in with a white gel polish. Next, I'll come in with my colorful nail art powder. I'll use about 4 or 5 different kind of colors. I'm not really going in any pattern. I'm just putting them on the nail randomly. Which I'll come in with a glossy top coat, but then I will not cure it. I'll leave it wet. I brush, dip it in my black gel polish, and then make, simple dots on the nail. I'm not really making any design. I'm just dropping, black polish on the surface of the wet nail. After which I'll just cure it up for about 1 minute. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. So finally, here we are. If you're somebody who loves some colors on your nails, you can definitely give this a try. I hope I did help you, and I hope you're going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.